Hey everybody, welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. So we're gonna do a little mukbang. I'm eating some Yakisoba noodles and I put some cheese on them. These Yakisoba noodles you can buy in your grocery store for like 80 cents or something like that. This one is Korean barbecue flavor. And then I have a little salad right here with some dill dressing and some kimchi. And I'm drinking orange juice. Oh, and I'm also drinking some water. I have a little time since my little one is actually watching Mickey Mouse. Mmm. So, I got on camera to talk to you guys about this Popeyes. What are you guys thinking? How many of you have eaten the chicken sandwich? I had it when it first rolled out. And then I actually did a mukbang with my husband where he compared a few chicken sandwiches, so I'll link it below. And then it just re-rolled out again, probably about a week ago now. But there's like all this drama circulating this chicken sandwich. Like, I saw a video of somebody jumping behind the counter to fight a Popeyes employee about the chicken sandwich. And then I seen one where all the Popeyes employees were fighting outside. Then it was one I seen where this guy was like selling him. He's an employee and he got caught selling him out of his car. And then, the more tragic one is actually a man got stabbed for apparently cutting in line. And he died actually. So, that was the worst one. And the more recent one I've seen, I think, was a woman trying to get into the drive-thru line. It appears to me like she's cutting in the line, but she scraped up her car and hit a car in front of her, and she kept driving. I actually wrote a post about some of this, so I'll link it below so you can check it out and read it in full. And the video of the lady in her car is on there, as well as the man who was stabbed. And I'll go ahead and leave the review I wrote on my blog about what I think about the chicken sandwich. So, if you like Popeye's chicken, you're gonna like their sandwich. You know, all you can do if you really want one so bad, get the chicken meal with the breast in it. Take the breast out of there. Put it in between a brioche bun and slap some pickles on there. That's it. You know, people are going crazy for these $4 sandwiches. And I know they really don't have like a lot of meals, as in like a chicken sandwich meal or whatever. So, but it's nothing about it that should be causing all this disruption. This is crazy. Like, what are they putting in this chicken? I personally wasn't that impressed. And if you watch my mukbang, there were other chicken sandwiches that I like more. So, people are fighting, damaging their cars, and waiting in 40-minute lines. This is crazy. And then when they run out of sandwiches, the people get mad and try to fight the employees. Like, what is going on? It should never be like that. I'm telling y'all, it's crazy. Like, tell me, how many of y'all have eaten a sandwich and you think it's just the greatest, or it's just alright? Like, some people have theories about this. And the theories I read are kind of crazy, so. As far as the man who was stabbed, it's unclear as to what the argument was about. They just said that he got in front of the man. So who knows if they were arguing about that or something else. But he was stabbed and then left outside. And Popeyes took about a day or two to release the video, the security footage, over to the authorities so they could find out who did it. I haven't heard if they found him yet. But that one really hit close to home because it's in Maryland and I live in Maryland. So, yeah. Are you guys eating the chicken sandwich? What are you thinking about it? What are your thoughts, you know? Is it good? Is it bad? What is it? But as you can see, I'm done again. I never eat all my food, so. Yeah, you guys leave me some comments down below. And don't forget to check the description box. Let me know what you guys are doing about these chicken sandwiches. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And have a good day.
Basically, the chicken sandwich is basically the brioche bun. I mean, it's like this same type of bun that you can get from McDonald's that they use for their chicken sandwiches as well. And then they have the like little sauce with a pickle. Sometimes with the chicken sandwich, they don't even put a lot of sauce on there. So you basically just eating the chicken and the bread. I mean, that's basically it. I mean, it's not that big of a thing. It's not. It really isn't.
So you had the chicken sandwich before, obviously. And
I mean,
is it worth all the hype that's being put around it?
It really is not worth all the hype that's been
Would you wait 30 minutes for a chicken sandwich?
No, let's go somewhere else.
Well, there you have it.
Yeah, I'll just go somewhere else.